Separation of substances, class 6, chapter 5, and question G. Question G. Answer the following questions in brief. First is define solute and solvent. Answer is in a solution, the substances that dissolve is called solute, and the substances in which the solute dissolve, this is called solvent. For example, in a salt solution, salt is solute and water is solvent. Now, the question 2. Define winnowing. How is it done? Answer. The process of separating grains from the chaff or husk by the action of wind is called winnowing. The mixture of husk and grain is taken in a tray. The farmer stands at a higher level and allows the mixture to fall down. The grain, because they are being heavier, falls almost vertically down, while the lighter chaff is carried away by the moving wind, making a separate heap away from the grains. So in this way, the grains and the husk, these are separated. Now question number 3. Differentiate between decantation and filtration. Decantation and filtration. Now come to its answer. Decantation and filtration. Decantation, the process of transferring the supernatant in the another beaker without disturbing the sediment. This is called decantation. And in decantation, no filtering device is used. Example, separation of water from a mixture of sand and water by decantation process. Now filtration, the process of separating insoluble solid components present in a liquid by passing the mixture from a porous medium such as filter paper. This is called filtration. Filtering device, this is used. In filtration, filtering device is used. For example, separation of tea from tea leaves by filtration process by using some strainer. Now, question number 4. Explain how salt is obtained from seawater. Answer is seawater contains a large amount of salt dissolves in it. And evaporation, this process is used to obtain salt from seawater. And to obtain salt, first of all, seawater, this is collected in shallow ponds called salt pans, where it is allowed to dry in the sun. And after drying, they leave behind the salt in the salt pan. Salt is collected from the salt pan and then it is sent for further purification. Now question 5. Define condensation. How is it different from evaporation? Answer is the process in which a gas changes into liquid state. This is called condensation. Condensation is opposite of evaporation. Both are totally different from each other. Now we compare them. Condensation, a gas changes into liquid. In evaporation, a liquid changes into gas. Condensation, it occurs when a substance in the gaseous form cools down. Evaporation occurs when a substance in liquid form heats up. Example of condensation is condensation of water vapor into water or water drops. Example of evaporation is evaporation of water into water vapor.